talk about my workshop, the Conjures Oils Powders workshop. Now I'm going to bring this video in two languages, the English and the Hindi. So the people who want to do this course in Hindi can also do this course. And I want to give a small example what this course is about, because many people have done my basic oils and my advanced oils. So what is this? Many people wanted mastering in these oils. For example, I will tell you, conjuring oils is not a joke. You know, people just say Wiccan oils, voodoo oils, but making a Wiccan oil or a voodoo oil is not a simple joke. It takes its own time, energy and way of making it. You need to practice, you need to become an expert in it, and you need to work on your intuition, and you need to work on your researchal skills to make certain oils. Now, what is this conjure workshop about? For example, some client comes to you, you are a tarot reader, and then you're putting the cards, and then you come to know that the client's husband has been cheating on her, or the client's wife has been cheating on her. What would you do? We in this conjure workshop will teach you a beautiful method. Now what this method will be like, what is the oil you need to use, what is the salt you need to use, do you need to make any powder, do you need to make any giri bag or the mojo bag for this, and how do we use it so that the client's husband or the client's wife understands what mistake they have done, understands in the sense they realize what mistake they have done and they are punished for it, or they are whatever we call it as, that they know that okay, we cannot cheat our partner anymore, and then they come back as a loyal person. This is one example. For example, I would like to say, all of you know calamus root. Calamus root works for money, calamus root works for love. Now, how do I make a calamus work only for the money and not for the love? So, what type of magic or what type of work I need to do with the calamus that it is only bringing in love when I am using it for love oil or a love bag or a love powder, and what should I do when I am using it for the money? So that is one thing which we will be covering. And yes, there are a lot of oils which we use. We have money oil, we have say abracadabra oil, domination oil, which is the best base oil. See, in those days typically only olive oil was there. In those days we never had almond oil, we never had this coconut oil, we never had jojoba oil. All that was not there, because in those days, I'm saying, don't think I'm a very old person that I'm saying this. I meant when my high priestess and when my mentors who were quite old, because my high priestess who passed away recently, she was a 98-year-old lady. So I remember her telling me when I was learning oils and all, that those days they never had other oils, and it was only the olive oil or the base sunflower oil which was available. So with that, what they used to do, for which oils the herbs are done in the double boiler method, in which oils the herbs are tied in muslin cloth and soaked in the oil, in which oils you just put the direct herbs and then you make them as a master oil, which oils are need ingredients like say a lodestone or a magnetic sand or a gold glitter. Some oils don't need all that. Some oils have their own natural tendencies. So some oils, how is it that they become green colored? Do we add a color? No, we don't add color. So how does it happen? So all this will be covered. So now you must be wondering that if I'm going to tell you a kit, it will be more of a candle course. No, this course is not going to have candles. Of course, I will explain. Like for example, as I said, there is a kit called as the Pombagira kit, which I will be teaching you all, in which I will teach you all how to make the Pombagira oil, the Pombagira powder, and the Pombagira mojo bag. Now, Pombagira can be used if the husband is cheating you, then the husband gets the husband is taught a lesson. For that also we use. Now if you want to become wealthy, if you want to bring in abundance in your existing business, in your new ventures, then how do we use it and what we have to make, and what is the candles which you can give to your clients along with this kit if you want to give. No, I don't want to give candles, I just want to give them the oil, the powder or the salt if I teach you any salt, and the mojo bag if I'm teaching any mojo bag. Then how do I give this as a kit? How do I sell them to the client? How do I work with them, and what I should give? So all these will be covered in this course. I will be covering 10 topics overall, and in 10 topics you have already seen in my slides that Pombagira is one topic which is coming. I'll be bringing in the domination oil, and I'm planning to bring in depth collecting oil and the depth collecting powder along with the depth collecting salt. That is one thing with the mojo bag which will be coming. So like that 10 things. Few I'm going to keep it as, you know, a secret, so that you all will join the workshop and know how it is done. Because if I tell you all everything here, then I think, you know, people will start googling, or people will start making a sort of a thing out of this, and they will start teaching it. So no, yes. And before I close my video, we all have book of shadows, right? Wiccans usually have book of shadows. People who do conjuring of oils, conjuring of powders, they maintain something called as the receipt book. Now this is not the receipt book where we write the bills. This is the receipt book where I maintain a proper journal of how the oils are, what was the base of the oil when I started, what happened after I added the herbs. So it's more like mastering the class. So this receipt book of yours will be passed on from generations to generations. So this workshop, you cannot teach others, but this workshop will help you to make kits and give it to your clients. This workshop will help you to the level where you know that a client has come to me, this is the issue, what should I give him, what is the solution I should give him. Because when I started my journey, I used to tell people it is not going to happen, there's going to be a loss, and I have seen them getting very upset and going that we don't have a solution. So you will not only be a reader or a healer, but you will also be a solution giver here. But the difference is that you will make your own oils, you will make your own powders, you will make your own salts, and if needed you will make your own giri bags or the mojo bags, and you will be giving it to them as a kit, and they will take it and they will use it, and they will be able to get solutions in their life. And in this kit, if you want, you can add the candles, because I will be discussing my case studies as to this kit was given in what circumstances and how it was. Now how this workshop is going to be, it is going to be in WhatsApp, and it's going to be a secretive group in Facebook where you all will be added there from the day one, and the notes will be posted there, and those videos you can see it lifelong. It will be having more of videos and less of you know, typed notes. And moreover, I will be showing 1 or 2 methods of oils, 1 or 2 methods of salts, and then followed by which will be my own videos, and you know what all list is needed and how it is done. Now what all I will be teaching, one is a cold pressed method which I will be taking. I'll also be taking you all through a herbal infused oil, how it is made, and I'm also going to be taking you all through a double cooked method. So I will be mixing in 3-4 methods in this, and I hope you all are more eager to be a part of this workshop and learn it. And believe me, it's going to be one of the best experience you people are going to have. And end of the workshop, you will be a beautiful conjurer of oils and herbs and powders. More than anything, being a conjurer, you will be able to give solutions to those who come to you with a ray of hope that okay, when we go to her, then we have the solutions. Again, certain things, if I don't get, what do? I am always there, because I will have all the materials available with me which you can pick from me. Now I have also made this workshop into 2 ways. One is a base workshop where you just pay for the workshop, and later on whatever you want to pick from the market or from me you can pick. And one more is where I'll be giving a small kit of certain herbs which I'll be covering in this oil. At the end of this workshop it will be couriered to you, so there is a separate energy exchange for that. I will be attaching my those who want can get in touch with me at 917-623-1990, and I will be sending you all the details, the slides of the workshop and everything, because the workshop is starting very soon. And since I take only 10 people in a batch, I am also planning this time to take 10. So get in touch with me as soon as possible and register yourselves for this beautiful workshop. And those who liked my videos, do subscribe and share. I always say this: subscribe, share, so that you'll be notified whenever my videos come. And moreover, I am planning to bring in all my workshop related details through my YouTube, so that people in future can also see what workshops I do, and they will be able to get a better idea of how to join my workshops. Thank you. God bless. Let's all take our journey towards becoming the most powerful and the most famous conjurers of the world. Thank you.